Robot chassis are revolutionizing construction sites by enhancing efficiency, safety, and precision of the workflow. In this video, you see a bunker mini from Robotics, a robust tracked platform with excellent off-road performance. Bunker Mini effortlessly handles challenging uneven terrains and demonstrates agility and maneuverability of movement. It can reach a speed of up to 1.5 meters per second and keep going for 80 minutes of runtime with 35 kg payload, an ideal choice for transportation of bulky construction items. At General Laser, we offer payload customization to turn these robotic platforms into surveying robots, material transporters, and robotic arms carriers, facilitating repetitive tasks that traditionally require significant manual labor. This automation reduces the risk of human error, minimizes workplace injuries, and accelerates project timelines. Moreover, integrating robot chassis with RTK GNSS technology enables precise positioning and real-time data collection, improving overall site management and decision-making.